My name is Zach. Technically, I'm a character in a book series and soon to be a character in an app, but we don't need to get into that right now. I have FASD, fetal alcohol spectrum disorders, which means my brain is wired for adventure, creativity, and I'm here to represent not just FASD, but other neurodiverse profiles, like autism, ADHD, and those impacted by trauma. I'm here to tell you about something called Heroes Embrace, and I promise this is the coolest thing I have ever been part of. Helping young kids who have a brain like mine. We are smart, like genuinely, actually smart. We notice things other people miss. We feel things really deeply. We are creative and loyal and hilarious, obviously. But sometimes our brains don't connect the dots between what we know and what we actually do. Like, I know that when I'm frustrated, I should breathe. I know that. Every part of me knows that. But in the moment, my brain goes sideways. Kids with autism, ADHD, FASD, or brains that have been through some hard stuff, we don't need more rules. We don't need more timeouts. We need more practice in a place that lets us try stuff without making us feel like we're broken. That's not a lot to ask. And here's something important. A lot of the kids Heroes Embrace is built for already have a team working for them. Teachers, support staff, maybe a speech therapist or a counselor, an IEP, an individual education plan that says this child has specific needs and here's the plan. That team is doing real work. Heroes Embrace isn't here to replace any of that. It's here to support and help build capacity for the team, help fill in the practice time in between, and give the team a shared picture of how each student is actually doing. That is where Heroes Embrace comes in. Heroes Embrace is an app, but not like a boring, here are some worksheets, good luck kind of app. No. It is a quest app. It is a You Are the Hero app. It's got story missions and choices and challenges and me. It has me, because I am the AI companion inside the app. I'm a non-player character, an NPC, which is just a fancy way of saying I'm the guide who shows up to support, who pays attention to how you're doing, and who adjusts to you and your specific neurodiverse learning needs. Every single time. If you're having a great day and you're ready to go, let's go. If today is a hard day and your brain is full, we slow down, we try a different path. And whatever you choose in this app, it is never a failure. I'm here to help the team members who are working with students who have a 504 and those with an IEP. As an example, in an intervention called Build, you learn what a skill actually is, not just the name. What it feels like in your body, because knowing what a feeling is the first step to not letting it run your whole Tuesday. Then, you will move to Solve, where you practice it. Inside a story. My story. Well, stories I'm in. There are choices. Things go sideways sometimes, on purpose, so you can figure it out without any real consequences. And then you move to Reflect. You stop. You look at what just happened, and you go, huh, I did that. I learned that. Now, oh, and after every single session, the app sends a message to the whole team. Not a report card, just here's what your kid practiced today. Here's one simple thing you can do this week to help that skill show up in real life. And I mean your whole team, your parents, your teacher, your speech therapist, your school counselor, whoever's in your corner. Heroes Embrace is designed to bring them all into the same conversation. Because here's what I figured out. The kids who do best aren't the ones with the most rules. They're the ones whose team is working from the same playbook. When your SLP and your teacher and your mom all know what you practiced this week, and they're all pointing in the same direction, that's when things actually start to click.